Oh, gentlemen, we're on site. We are here to carry out domestic piping work installation. So, this is the electrical drawing. So, what to start marking? And first and foremost, this is the legends. You have to understand your legends before you before you go to your drawing, your, your schematic diagram. And also you have to read the the note. Your note is very important. Note is actually telling you the IE regulation or what the client actually really want. You have to read your note. It's very important. So the note will tell you the height of your socket, the height of your switches. It's very important. You take note of the note, your general note of the electrical. Then the next thing you have to go straight to the drawing. This is for the fire alarm, for the smoke detector. That is why it's called XD. So you can see this SD. If you go to your legend, you will see SD there. So we are going to the socket. For the socket point, we are in the first floor. Is it clear?
Yes.
So we are in the first floor. So we are going to the socketry for the first floor. Okay, this is second floor. Okay, this is ground floor for the socket. This is the socket point. So right now we are in the first floor. So we are in this is how the building. This is how the building is standing. This is it clear? You just come closer. Bring your camera closer. So right now we are in the library. Is it clear? We are in the library. So as I said, if you take a look, please take a look. This is a S2 SS2, and this is from the drawing. This is a SS2, and this is SS1, and we have this SS3 and SS3. So right now we have taken we have already marked our switch. Just look for a marker, or you look for whatever that you know that you can use to take your marking. So this is switch from the drawing. They have given us the height. So we have already marked our height of our switch. So I wrote SW. So if you can take the camera to the top, you can see there's a woody platform. So whatever you mark here, you can mark this one as SK1. So you also go up SK1. You can see where we are trying to open. So you also have to open up. So right now we are here, but from the drawing we mark from the drawing is SS. SS was we wrote SK2 so that we should know that it's socket. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here we are also here. We wrote SK2. So you can write, if you want to follow drawing, you can equally mark SS2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's socket. So there's no socket from the drawing. You can see this is where the socket is. There's no socket. There's no socket here. That is from the drawing. There's no socket in this place, so we have to leave it. We are going further for this other side. There's one socket here. SK2. So from the drawing said SS2. So you write SS2. So I'm also coming here. So from this drawing, you can see from this drawing we have one socket here, and we also have one socket here. So and this one said somebody wrote SK3, but from the drawing is telling us that's what SS3. Okay, SS3. So SS3. Okay. We have another one here as SK3. So we correct from the drawing SS3. So you were asking question, why is it that we are writing SS3 and we are writing SK2 and SK1. We have one SK1 and we have one SK. Am I right? In the library. Okay. Let me check. Okay. That one there is SK1. That last one. Sorry. We have SK1 here. We have SK1. This is SK1. That is SS1. So right now, you were asking me why is it that they are writing SS1 and they are writing SS2, SS3. Okay, the reason why they are writing SS1, SS2, SS3, they are going to be, at the end, they are going to be on different circuit. That is from the distribution board. Why in this library they don't want if one thing happen to one circuit breaker, the whole socket in this library will just turn off. So in this library they are going to use a theory circuit to control every socket in this library. One we have SS1 is going to one star plug, SS2 is going to one star plug, and SS3 is going to one star plug. So if for example something happen to SS1 to star plug SS1, other circuit like SS3 and SS2 will be working. If or any other thing happen to SS3, circuit SS1 and SS2 will be working. If something happen to SS2, circuit SS2, then circuit SS3 and SS1 will be working. That is just the major idea of having a different circuit in a room. So that if you tie everything to one particular circuit and anything happen to that particular circuit, maybe circuit breaker turns off, everything in this particular library will just turn off. The computer system will turn off. So if there's any other question that you feel that you feel to ask, you can ask question. Anything that you believe that is not clear for you. So as you are marking up, as you mark down, you also need to mark up. Okay, so let's go to up. Let's go to up. So let's go. We are on top of the platform. We are in this is the decking point here. So right now we just need to also use our, okay, you can see he wrote SK2. Okay, that is what because marking this SS, we call it socket. So we are following the drawing, so you just mark SS2. So right now you know this is your socket. Okay, so we go. So thank you, just come with me. You can see from the socket here, this is what SS, just come closer, this is SS2. You can see SS2. Okay, so we mark SS2. So we are coming here. Wow, so you can see SS is SK1, so we just mark SS1. So likewise the setting, so we have to confirm from up. So we have to confirm from up this SS3. This SS3. Thank you. So this one is SK3, so we just make it SS3. So come with me for the lighting point. So we are going for the lighting point. So right now in this particular hour, we have done with the socket point. So please clean before you carry out any activities for the lighting point. You have to evacuate the debris on top. Please evacuate. Right now we have done with the socket. We going to check the lighting point as well. We are still on the second point. So this is our drawing. We are using our drawing. Okay. This is the ground floor. So we are in the first floor lighting point. And this is where we are. This is the drawing. You can see we are standing like this, and this is where we are. Sometimes when you are using drawing, it might not